Hey everybody, glad to see you in my YouTube video. My name is Nick. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get MoreLogin API key. So first of all, you need to run MoreLogin anti-detect browser. Just run it, then you will see this page. So here on the left side, you can see the API tab. So just click on it. And here you will see all the necessary information for API. MoreLogin API helps you quickly create, start, stop, and delete profiles, supports integration with automation frameworks, and enables automation tasks for browsers or cloud phones. So here you can also view document if you need it. And at the very bottom, you can find your API key. Here you can easily copy it. And by the way, there is also your API ID and interface status. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video, comment it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.